Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, starting from any page in your document. Well, the first thing that we have to do is to open our document or file, right? In this case, I want to use this one as an example. It has some laws inside, as you can see, but it is perfect for what we want to show you. The first thing that we are going to do is to come to Insert, and now we are going to press on page number. Once that we are here, we are going to press on bottom page, and now we have a few templates or a few options which Word offers us. So in this case, I'm going to use this one because it looks pretty well. And now, as you can see, I have a number on each page, for example, 1, 2, 3. If I want to adjust the distance, I just have to press here, and as you can see, it goes down or it can go up. In this case, I want it to be right there, and well, that is the first part of the tutorial. This is how you can add page numbers to your document. But now we can make a few options more But now we are going to show you a few different options so you can make yours look better, right? In this case, let's suppose that this is not a page and this is, I don't know, a title. Well, what we can do is to press on different first page. And now, as you can see, the first page won't have a number. But once that we have a different first page, we are going to start on number 2, 3, 4. So in this case, to adjust these numbers, what we are going to do is to close header. Now we are going again to insert page number and format page number. Once that we are here, we are going to press on start at, and now we are going to press on 0. Now, as you can see, it starts again with the correct order. If you want to delete all of these things, the only thing that you have to do is page number and remove page numbers. So this is how you can add page numbers to your Microsoft document. If you have any comments or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below.
We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.